everyone, start off by taking a cardboard box to begin with, poke holes in it on either side and then take some wooden sticks. Next, take some straws and then pull it through each of the holes that you have created. Take some bottle caps and then add glue to one end of them, stick them onto your straws. Next, in order to make this helicopter out of a bottle, start off by taking the shape out of a cardboard paper. After that, cut it out of the shape and then color it in any color that you like. Put a wooden stick through and then stick it together using a hot glue gun. After this, take a bottle and then poke holes in it. Add your little creativeness to it and then afterwards, add the shape to it. That is the shape that you have stuck on, that is the top of the helicopter. Now, once you have added your thread into it and stuck the two together, you may pull it and roll it up as you please and then let it go as such. Next, in order to make this, take some cardboard paper, make two circles out of it. Cut one circle in half, stick them one on top of the other and then make a hole into it. Now make a line into it as well, that is a wall. Now make two of these and then it should be in an S-like shape. After this, add wooden sticks to some of them and then add another side to it. As you move it, this is how it should function. In order to make this cycle, cut out 4 circular shapes. Stick 2 of them together, make a hole in the center and then use a cut up straw in the middle of it through which you will insert a wooden stick on either side. Now stick all of the pieces together and then you will have yourself a cycle. Don't forget to add the seat in the back. Cut out a circular shape out of some paper and then make swirls on it after drawing it out. Now cut out this leaf-like shape and then stick the initial shape on top of the second shape. Make some eyes out of bottle caps and now stick them together in order to make a snail. Take some cardboard paper and then stick it all together after cutting it in order to make this car-like shape. Next, take a cap and then make a hole through it, add 2 straws through it as well. Cut off the excess of it. Stick 2 bottle caps together using a straw and then you should be left with what looks like wheels. Next, in order to make this usable clock, start off by taking a circular sheet of paper or a circular sheet of cardboard paper. Now, make 2 of these, stick one on top of the other. On either side, make it look like it is a part of the alarm. In the center, draw the arms of the clock and then add the numbers all around. Next, we will start off by making a checker shape board. Now for this, we will make little circular shapes out of different colors. We have chosen 3 different colors and after that, draw check lines to it. Next, we will start off by making this hippo. Firstly, cut out the shape of a hippo and then afterwards, stick one on top of the other. Now at the top of it, add the eyes, the little blush, add a red center to it in order to make the mouth and then add teeth using pistachios as such. Next, we will be making this game. In order to do so, take some cardboard paper and then make it look like a Pac-Man shape. After this, take yellow marker and then color it in yellow as well. Now, take a rectangular strip of paper that is cardboard paper and then add glue to the edge of it and then stick one on top of the other. Add the face of a little Pac-Man creature as well. Through the center, add a hole and after this, add a little pin to it on either side. You may spin it as you please due to this. After this, you may create your maze at the top of it and then move it as you please. This will be the final look of our product. Next, we will start off by taking some cardboard paper. Now, make this door-like shape out of it and then cut it out, stick them on top of another cardboard sheet of paper. Stick another window-like shape on another piece of cardboard paper. Add a base to it and then use rubber bands on either side to make it stay in place. Next, we will start off by making this little box-like structure. Now, in order to do this, we will take paper and then in the middle of them, add little bits of tape to it so that it stays. This is what you should be left with. Now, take this window-like shape with the frame and then cut out 4 strips of paper. Add a transparent center to it and then this should be like a window. Now, take your 4 strips and then add a layer to it, add marbles in the middle of it and then add another closing end to it. Make holes in the center and all around and then insert your picture into this piece. Thank you for watching.